Whoa, look at that. Is it possible to go wrong with something that's called a SNJORT MAX? I don't think. Check this thing out. This is a leaf blower, which we are going to test both blowing leaves and an alternative use, which I think this will be fabulous for. I got myself a new Corvette, and you just can't dry it anymore with regular towels. It swirls up the paint. So I blow dry it all the time, and those big giant blow dryers are big giant pain in the butt to use. This looks like it would be so efficient and so cool. So we're gonna do two things in this video. First, I'm gonna show you what comes in it. Then we're gonna charge it up. We're gonna blow some leaves. Gotta make sure it blows some leaves. And then we're gonna blow dry a Corvette. And you're gonna see if it works for that. I think it would be ridiculously cool if it does. We have a charger. Oh, check out the cute little snout for it. This thing is adorable. If this thing has the power that it's supposed to, this will be very exciting. Here's the unit itself, one snort gun. It's easy to assemble. You simply put this on the tabs, all four of them, and then it should rotate and lock on, nice and positive. This doesn't have an indicator to say if it has power or not, but let's just try it. Ready? Oh! You can see. This thing's got some BALLS. Oh, let's take the snort out and see how it works. Let's go do that. Okay, this is a very conventional test for the SNJORT, which we still need to do. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Okay, leaves are a non-issue. Let's try Corvette. Okay, just washed her up. She's all clean. Let's try snorking her dry. Oh! Okay, this thing worked really well to dry the Corvette. I'd say it's about 7 on the plus scale and 3 on the minus scale. It's not perfect. So on the plus side, super light, tons of airflow, and good battery life. All good pluses. I really would recommend it for that. My one minus is, and I never thought this was a thing that I would have to think about, but because you're going to be using it for a little while, there is no switch to lock it on, right? You have to hold it the whole time you're going to use it. So you're definitely going to improve your finger strength. It honestly is not hard. I did the whole car, no big deal whatsoever, but I would have preferred to be able just to hit it on and leave it on. I would have definitely preferred that. Maybe the snort people will see this and take that as a recommendation. But yeah, if you're looking for a great little item for blow drying the leaves or blow drying your Corvette or whatever car you got, this is definitely a great one for that. I would definitely recommend it. If you want one, there's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use them. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel, hit that hype feature if we're on YouTube. And if you have any thoughts or other ideas in terms of this, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear about that. Do you have another use for this other than drying cars or blowing leaves? There's got to be other cool uses. Put that in the comments. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.